Okay, we are heat wrapping the fuel lines and about tripped over a jack, the electrical wiring that comes down the side right here, because my exhaust is right there. It's not touching. We got about an inch, so we just wrap it with this stuff. We're gonna later, after I'm done using what I need of this, we're gonna see if this holds up to the propane torch and see what it does, if it actually burns, if it's actually aluminum or if it's some kind of plastic. Not really sure. It's supposed to withstand like 2,000 degrees or something, I think. We'll find out. I'm gonna bet that this stuff will burn right here. Anyway guys, I'm gonna get the fuel lines finished up, the electric, and I'm going to run my transmission lines up to an external cooler. This one right here that I had laying around, I'm gonna run it up underneath up here, and then we're gonna run the TCC brake switch inside so it'll kick the transmission lock up off when you hit the brake, and hook up the wire to the fuel pump, put some gas in this thing, and there might be one or two more things. I'll see what I think of as I'm getting this done. Yeah, power steering. I got the hoses coming tomorrow, but I think what I'll do right now, I'll just cut this one and jump it right back into the return and not have the power steering ram hooked up right now, just to give it a test, see how it runs, see if it'll kick in gear, and hopefully have brakes. Anyway, let me get this done here. Gotta run this wire up here. There's so many benefits to a lift, y'all. Alright. You can see kind of what I got here. Actually need to run this on the back side of that. And I got the gas line. My feed and the return is in this one. It's actually going to be held up tight to that. I'm going to get a strap and hold it there. And I don't know if you can even see, yeah, kind of behind it, there's the electric wire loom right there. Another ground. So anyway, let me finish running this wire up to the fuel pump. Okay, we have basically finished up. I have my transmission lines connected to a cooler. I have power ran to my fuel pump. All the heat wrapped stuff I've got wrapped where I want it, and basically all our powers ran, everything's hooked up. Some of this is temporary right now, like these wires right here are going to get trimmed and kind of reran. Of course the intake is not going to stay that way. We're just going to do that for testing purposes when we start it up, which will be tomorrow. All I have left to do is fill this with antifreeze, run a little overflow hose, and put gas in it. We are going to test this heat wrap sheath stuff real quick, and we're going to see how this works out. I have this right here, propane torch, and I have a piece of this. It is, I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's kind of like a fiberglass mesh. Now, I expect this Velcro to melt. Same with this other side. I don't figure it's fireproof. So what I tried to do when I wrapped everything, tried to keep that away from the heat side and keep this side. Now I have this little thing here. I don't know what that says. I can't. It's 67 in here. And the floor is 69. Alright. So what I'm going to try to do is, I guess, I'm going to get a pair of pliers to hold this. Okay, I got this piece of square tube, vice grips pinched on it, holding it, and let's see, I want to read the temp of the back side with this. That right now says 73 degrees. Now we're going to take this to it. Okay. $427. Guys, I'm gonna say that's an aluminum, possibly. But we put the heat to it. Let's keep going. Well, it's probably not good. It looks like that stuff smolders? How hot was that? 500. Dropping. Ooh, that's hot. She's hot. Well, the Velcro junk on the other side does burn. I mean, there's something, well, now the Velcro on the bottom is burning. But there is something that smolders a little bit. Be honest, yeah, if that would quit burning. There. See how hot it is right now. 120, 160, 180. She's a hot. That stuff's always gonna burn. Let's flip it here. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see what it does. I mean, I guess we are putting direct heat to it. What I do find interesting is that stitching is still there. But she's brittle. That's not good. Alright guys, that was kind of I don't know. I don't really know what to think out of that little experiment there, other than it's not gonna be fireproof. Might be heat resistant, but it's not fireproof. Anyway, hope you all like and subscribe, and I will be uploading another video after this one because I'm going to come back tomorrow and finish this up, and I will have the video of the first time starting this with the motor and transmission, and hopefully take it for a short drive if the brakes work. Alright, bye.